Hey everybody, it's Wendy. Welcome. I'm so excited you're here with me today. We are going to make another simple Saturday card using just a few supplies. I've got the heartfelt stamp set here. You know I've used this thing to death. Blueberry bushel stamp set, ink pad, and the blueberry bushel marker, which comes in a set of markers. And then we've got the card base cut at 4 1/4 by 11. And the DSP cut at 4 by 5 1/4, and the little layer there is cut at 3 3/4 by 5. And I'm a little late on my measurements because I just read them all off to you. This is the Country Club Designer Series paper. I love it. You're going to be seeing a lot of stuff from me using that soon. I've got my T-square ruler here, which I love, and I'm going to use my marker to trace or to make a little kind of rectangle basically, and then stamp inside. So I just thought this would be a fun card to do because, you know, one of the things I struggle with honestly is making masculine cards. We tend to have all these pretties, flowers, different things, but there are so many guys in my life that I could give a card to. Okay, really, there's not. There's my husband and my father-in-law. But, like, honestly, there's some other fellas. Like, I could send some birthday cards to some of our friends and stuff. I just always think guys don't care about that kind of stuff. Like, they're just not, It's, like, wasted energy to make a really fancy card for a guy. Isn't that horrible? It's probably horrible of me. So I'm leaving a little gap there at the bottom so that I can stamp my sentiment. I'm going to cover up the little comma after the word love, and I'm going to ink this stamp up, and then I'll remove that little mask and stamp just the word love. So I'm stamping that in between the little lines where I drew. You might notice my fingernails are back to the same color they were. It's because this video was recorded quite some time ago. I just knew that this was a card eventually that I was going to share, and I had an idea for it, so I recorded it. And so yeah, so you get what you get, right? And then I'm going to do 3 hearts. I'm going to start with the heart in the middle, which I screwed up and didn't get stamped correctly. Thankfully for photopolymer, I could just go right back down over the top and finish inking that up. Whenever I stamp something that's like a set of 3, I try to start in the center where I want the middle one to be, and then I work out from there. Just a little tip for you. Everything's going good. Not a lot to report today. Simple Saturday means it's quick. So I don't have a long time for storytelling, but Mondays, you might be noticing I've been doing some pretty elaborate stuff on Mondays for you guys. And so I will have some story time then. One thing I can tell you for sure that I'm doing this weekend is getting ready for Super Bowl Sunday next weekend. So I'm going to be purchasing some decorations and planning my menu and getting ready for all of that. So there's my finished manly card. I'm probably just going to give this to my husband for something. I don't know what. Maybe Valentine's, maybe not. If you want to watch another video from me, click either one you see here. If you like the products I use, you want to try them out, you can shop with me at shoploveandstampin.com. Click the circle with my face in it to subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you in the next video. Hope you have a good one. Bye-bye.